In this video, we will understand the tools required for Spring application development. These steps will be well known to developers with 3 to 5 years of experience, but still, taking into consideration somebody who is new, let us go through the steps required to set up the lab. So, step 1, download and install the JDK. So, the easiest and simplest way to do, or rather how I do whenever I have to, is to go to Google, type in JDK download, go to the link Java SE Development Kit 8. Here you will be asked to accept the license agreement, and based on the operating system of your choice, choose the corresponding software. I have Windows 10 64-bit as the operating system, so this will be what I will be downloading. So please download the corresponding software and install it. Hope I don't need to go through the steps to install the software. You can just go with the defaults. So as a reminder, the latest version of JDK is version 10, but we are okay for now with JDK 8. Step 2, get the Eclipse IDE. To download Eclipse, the same procedure is applied. For your information, the latest version of Eclipse is Photon, but as I am using Eclipse Oxygen, please type Eclipse Oxygen download. Go to the first link, scroll down and select Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Select the appropriate architecture of your operating system. For me, it is 64-bit. The download is usually a zip file. There is no setup program, so please unzip to a location of your choice. If you want, you can create a shortcut to the executable in your desktop. Once this is done, please start the IDE. So now, we have come to the last part of the lab setup. I have opened up Eclipse. If this is the first time you are opening up Eclipse, you will see a welcome window like this at startup. So click on the workbench icon and it will open up the IDE. Here we need to do a couple of things. First, we need to configure the JDK. So go to the Windows menu, click on Preferences, find JDK, Java, expand on Java, go to the installed JREs. As you can see, there is a JRE added to it already by default. My personal experience, or what I have seen with many developers, is that they tend to forget to change this to a JDK. So this is what we are going to do here. So click on the edit button, find where you have installed your JDK. Your location may be different. I have put it in my F drive. In my Java, you will see I have the JDK somewhere. So here I am using JDK 1.161. You may have downloaded 181, but that's fine. So now you have selected the JDK, click on OK, and of course it has changed to JDK, and even I am changing the name of the JRE also to JDK, and that's it. Finally, apply and close will do the job. The last thing that we are going to do is to install the Spring Tool Suite Eclipse plugin. To do that, expand the Help menu, go to the Eclipse Marketplace, I hope my net is not slow, so let us wait till the search window is enabled. So what you need to do is that once the search window is enabled, you need to type in STS, the short form for Spring Tool Suite. And once you press enter, you will see an option. So let us see. So now of course I have the search window cleared. I am going to type STS. I am giving enter. And you can see there is this Spring Tools, also known as Spring IDE and the Spring Tool Suite, and the release version is 3.9.5. As you can see, I have already installed. That's why the button is telling it as installed. For you, you have to install it. After that, you will be asked to restart Eclipse. Please do that, and that's all for the lab setup. Okay. So that's all with the lab setup. We have downloaded and installed JDK. We have installed Eclipse, and then we installed the STS plugin. That will suffice for our lab setup. There is one thing remaining, which is an external Apache Tomcat server, which we will do during the upcoming video sessions. So that's it for now. Bye.